Hello. Today I'm going to talk about my interview experience with the company named Duffel. It's a startup company and they aggregate a lot of flight bookings and they work with a lot of different partners. This is really fast growing company and they were offering really good benefits and also they were working in a different tech stack. For example, they were using Elixir as a main backend language. So I was really excited to have this interview and yeah, was preparing super hard for this interview. Let me tell you a bit of background about myself, just in case. So I'm a software engineer working in London in a tier one company. I've been here for 3 years now, and I really enjoy my work, my company, my team, but I'm just trying to get to the next level, and hence I was interviewing with these companies. Yeah, so back to interview experience. First thing, as soon as I opened my LinkedIn for recruiters, one of the recruiter contacted me from the Duffel. We had a good chat. He explained me a lot of good benefits for from Duffel. For example, they give a 2 months, I guess, sabbatical leave after 2 years or something. So that's really good. They allow 2 months, 2 to 3 months from anywhere from world to work or remotely. That's another great benefit. They have good benefits and good salary. Yeah, so the recruiter round went well, and then they scheduled. They sent me a link to schedule a interview. I scheduled the interview in couple of weeks and started preparing hard for this round. It was a panel interview, coding round. There were two guys interviewing me. They were really friendly and really good. I really loved having interactions with them. The question given to me was a very simple sorting question, but with a twist of real world. So they gave me a JSON file with a lot of different flights data and asked me to return a sorted order of this data based on the price. The important thing here is not every bit of this data was same. Few fields were missing, few fields were having different types of pricing, and there were some differences. So this is a real world case where if you get flight data from different flight partners, the data will not be the same, and you have to normalize it and then sort it. But given the constraint of just 45 minutes of an interview, I did it in a simple way. I did ask a lot of questions. They were happy with them. They were asking me, how would you do in real life? And for interview, okay, this is fine, but how would you do in real life? So I was giving those information. Everything was fine. I was able to code it up. I was able to run. I was able to show that it is sorted now. Um, then we had a couple of questions at the end. And one of the interviewers asked me, why did you mutate the original data? And my reasoning was simple, because this data was just for interview purpose, and we were not going to use it anymore further. So I just mutated it. I think that was the wrong way to do this. They were kind of expecting me to make a copy of this original data, then make make a normalized version of this data, and then run sort function on this normalized data. But my goal was to sort this in any way possible for the interview to crack it, and I did it. But I think that was not the expectation. So in couple of days I got the rejection, and I feel that the reason for getting rejection was mutating the original data. The Elixir language is a functional language, and they just it is like very odd for them to mutate the original data. It's always a copy and then uh, change something on top of it. So I think that that might have tripped these guys, and yeah, that was end of it. So yeah, pretty fun company, pretty fun interview. Really loved it, but unfortunately I can't get in. Um, but yeah, hope this helps. anyone who's looking for Duffel interview experience. And yeah, stay curious, stay consistent, and see you in the next one.